Most homeowners think paying more for an air conditioner is just buying a fancier brand name, but choosing the wrong system could cost you thousands in unbacked repairs. One of these units gives you slightly better energy bills today, while the other packs a hidden warranty that protects your wallet for the next 99 years. If you make the wrong choice here, you are leaving your home comfort completely unprotected. I'm the HVAC repair guy, and I'm bringing 17 plus years of real-world field experience to this breakdown. I worked as a service technician and installer out in the trenches and ran my own contracting business. I also have a background as a former Navy nuclear electrical operator. I don't look at glossy sales brochures. I look at how these machines actually perform when they are bolted down in your backyard. Today we are cutting through the marketing noise to compare the Amana ALXT7C and the Heil H5A8T. When we dive into performance, both of these units sit firmly in the premium category as two-stage systems. That means they utilize two-speed outdoor fan motors and two-stage scroll compressors to run at a lower, quieter capacity most of the time. Looking at raw efficiency, the Heil H5A8T takes a slight edge with an 18.0 SEER rating compared to the Amana ALXT7C at 17.2 SEER. In the field, that minor efficiency gap translates to negligible operational savings, but it can make a difference if you are chasing local utility rebates. Sound performance is essentially a tie, with the Amana running at a quiet 70 decibels, and the Heil right beside it at 71 decibels. Both units rely on heavy-duty built-in compressor blankets to stifle noise. The physical build quality shows a major divergence when you look at the outer cabinets. Amana builds the ALXT7C with a heavy-duty louvered coil guard that fully encloses and shields the outdoor coil from hailstones and stray rocks. Heil completely omits a louvered guard on the H5A8T, leaving the outer aluminum fins exposed to elements and impacts. That structural difference reflects the target strategies of their parent manufacturers. Amana is the flagship premium tier under Daikin Comfort Technologies, engineered on their heavy-duty residential platform. Heil belongs to the International Comfort Products family and shares a foundational architecture with brands like Tempstar and ComfortMaker. Carrier builds a solid machine, but they reserve their absolute highest-end cabinet protection for their top-tier flagship nameplates. Where Amana completely pulls ahead is the warranty structure. Both brands give you a solid 10-year parts warranty and require dealer registration. Amana pairs the ALXT7C with a staggering 99-year lifetime compressor warranty and a 10-year unit replacement warranty. If your compressor fails any time in the first decade, Amana will replace the entire outdoor condenser, not just the compressor. Heil provides a standard 10-year compressor warranty and limits their unit replacement protection to 5 years. This brings us to real-world pricing. A contractor installed Heil H5A8T typically ranges between $4,500 and $6,500 depending on your region and tonnage. The Amana ALXT7C commands a clear premium landing in a realistic market range of $6,000 to $9,000 fully installed. The practical homeowner implication is a classic trade-off between short-term savings and long-term peace of mind. Heil saves you a significant chunk of money up front and squeezes out a tiny bit more efficiency, but you inherit more physical and financial risk over the life of the system. Amana requires a higher upfront investment, but that extra cash buys you a bulletproof cabinet and an unmatched lifetime warranty that practically guarantees you will never pay out of pocket for a major compressor failure again. As a contractor who has spent years fixing equipment failures out in the field, my final verdict goes to the Amana ALXT7C. While the Heil offers an attractive entry price for a two-stage unit, an air conditioner is a 15 to 20-year investment. The Amana wins this comparison because its rugged louvered cabinet and superior 10-year unit replacement and lifetime compressor warranties deliver far better long-term protection, making it the smarter buy for any homeowner plan a shop, like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com.